Hi, how's it going today? I'm Tim Lazinski with Midwest Car Exchange here in Chicago. I'd like to welcome all of our subscribers and watchers worldwide. Today I'm bringing you a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This can have a 396 4-speed in it, power steering, power disc brakes in the front, AM/FM radio. We're gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit more about the interior. I'll do a nice walk around of the exterior, do a nice driving video, and then I want you guys to hear the car run as well. So first off, starting with the interior. Seats, door panels, dash, carpet set, console, headliner, everything is 9.9 out of 10. Even the kick panel is not even scuffed up or nothing like that. So beautiful interior on the car. Nice transom to go through it and drive it a little bit, so you'll see everything shifts smooth. But like I'm saying, original AM/FM radio in here. It's showing about 2,200 miles, a little over 2,200 miles on it. That's since the restoration, since everything was done at the whole driveline. It seems like all the gauges are working, even down to the clock. I'm seeing the second-hand move right now. Wipers are currently working on it. I do have seat belts up top here. I do not have lap belts, but those can easily be installed front and rear. Let's go ahead, take it out for a nice lap, and I'll tell you about what I feel on the car. So first off, start it up. Sitting about 650 on idle, running really smooth. I'm watching the cowl. Cowl is working on the car. Let's go for a lap. It's pulling. So I let off on the clutch, and about a third of the way up, it's starting to grab. So that's a good sign. Nice and smooth steering. I mean, very, very easy. You can do with a couple, finger or two. Nice and straight, going in a straight line. So that's a good start too. Great, hit all 4 gears, nice and smooth. Reverse works out great as well. Got some balls to her. She moves. She moves. Steering is awesome, brakes are awesome. It's stopping in a straight line. Not even a single rattle in suspension too, so man, got out to 70 real quick. Can't be happier with this car. This car is just running out awesome. AM/FM radio is working good there, and I got nothing bad to say about this car. Let's go ahead and do a nice little walk around the car. Like I said, we're gonna jump out and go around the engine, show you how the lights work and all that good stuff. So stay tuned.